Hello, this is Underlord, and welcome to a Minecraft video. Yay! And in this episode, I think we should go on a small... Actually, no, wait. I was thinking of going on an adventure, but first, let's test... Oops, no, I need my bow. Alright, it's infinity. Alright, jump down. I forgot. I'm in creative mode again. I'll make it seem as most like survival mode as I can. Yeah, I have night vision on. I was going for a quick fly around the world. So yeah, today we're going to be testing out this Joust. Oh yeah, I finished it. I've been trying to upload it for the past 3 days now. Ow. But it just wouldn't work. Anyway, so... Uh-oh. Look at that. My acting was so good I even fooled myself. How do I get this one to move as well? It's even a stone button. So maybe... I don't know, just this one. So I'm going to try to make it a little trickier and make that a wooden button so I can hopefully attempt to hit it with my bow. Alright, that can't be that hard, can it? Huh? So yeah, so... Uh-oh. What appears to be the problem? What's the oh. I think I found our problem. Is that gonna do it? Nope. Okay, get out of the way, Mr. Button. Perfect. Right. That Minecart's still on the track, I don't think so. Come on, there we go. Yeah, so this is how it's supposed to work. Yeah, then you go around and shoot your opponent. And everyone goes like, yay! And they're sitting in these little minecart chairs going, yay! Or maybe not shooting out on the track. That would be a bad idea. But anyway, fly. I don't know if there's a quicker way to get around. Anyway, so before I found a little cave somewhere. Can you spot it? Right down there. So we're gonna go, I don't know. No, it's less dramatic than this. We go under. Oh, a sea cake. How did I get there? So now the night vision wears off, and you can see it's sort of. So yeah, this is a tiny little cave I found. To be honest, it was a lot more impressive with night vision potion. So let's give that a little sit. There we go. Ooh, let's play shoot the bat. Shoot the bat. No, I missed. Stop moving. Go. Just stop moving and come closer. Pesky bats, you're almost as bad as Frank. And the chicken bottle, and the chicken hot sauce bottle. Wait, just so you know. What the? Just so you know, guys, you will be seeing more. You will be seeing more challenges very soon. I'm thinking of like lime challenges, warheads, if they sell them here, and all sorts of that fun parkour failures.